Tired of complicated holiday dinners? Here's a dish that feels as comforting as Christmas morning, smells amazing, and cooks in just one pan. We're making a cozy sausage and sauerkraut skillet. Warm potatoes, sweet onions, and smoky sausage, all coming together in the easiest winter meal. Let's start with the basics. Cut 2 to 3 potatoes into small, bite-sized cubes. This helps them cook evenly. Next, take 1 medium onion, cut it in half, slice off the ends, peel the skin, lay it flat, and slice into thin strips. Thin slices bring out more sweetness as it cooks. And now the star. We're using kielbasa. Slice it into half-inch rounds. When these hit the pan, they'll get a beautiful golden edge that tastes incredible. Heat a large skillet over medium heat and add a splash of oil. When it's warm, add the potatoes. Sauté until lightly browned, about 5 to 6 minutes. Don't rush this step. Browning gives the potatoes so much flavor. Now add the sliced onions. Cook until they soften and turn golden, about 3 to 4 minutes. Add a splash of white wine to deglaze the pan and boost the flavor. When the onions smell sweet and the potatoes look good, stir in the minced garlic, then add the sausage slices. They'll sizzle right away. Next, open your favorite sauerkraut. Drain out the liquid, then add the sauerkraut to the pan. Let everything cook together, uncovered, for 4 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add a little salt and pepper to taste. The sauerkraut warms up, the sausage releases its smoky fat, and all the flavors melt together. And that's it. A cozy skillet of potatoes, onions, sausage, and warm sauerkraut. Simple ingredients turned into a holiday-ready meal. Serve straight from the pan. Add a little whole grain mustard if you want more flavor, and enjoy it with a slice of warm bread, or just eat it as a comforting dinner after a cold winter day. So satisfied.